Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Suzuki Van 200. This lightweight dual sport just arrived with only 2,400 miles on it. It's got the big fat dual sport tires, fuel injected, 200cc. Wait till you hear that awesome Black Widow exhaust system. It's got this really nice comfy seat, great for two-up cruising around the beach or local. Come on by, make your dual sport 200 dreams come true with this awesome 2018 Van, only $35.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.